Hey guys, how you doing today? I found an interesting listing here. One person reached out to me saying, "Hey, there's a proof coin, the Palladium proof coin already up on eBay. What's going on?" And I'm like, looking at this picture, I'm like, "Wow, that does look like a proof coin. Yeah, it almost looks high relief, right?" And I was like looking through the comments here, the description, and it says, with a limited mintage of 15,000. I'm like, I thought it was mint to demand, right? So I went to US Mint's sales page, the total amount sold page. So here is the page, and you have to kind of scroll over it from left to right like this, and it'll tell you how much were ordered from the mint to the dealers. Like Bullion is, directly to the dealers and not to consumers. So you have silver totals, you have the gold in different increments, you have the silver 1 ounce, you have the platinum 1 ounce, and here's the palladium. So let me move it over here so you guys can see. And here's the mintage here. 15,000 were sold to US dealers. Now, does this mean it is a limited mintage? Maybe, maybe not. There's still a couple of months left in the year. You have November and December. If they decide to order more, then it could go higher, but for the time being, it looks like it's going to be just 15,000. But the eBay seller here claims it's a limited mintage of 15,000, so we'll see. Now, as far as how many of these are available, I checked another one. Here, he's got 2 available at 12,500, first day of issue, and this is another proof-like. Well, this one you really can't tell for sure. The image is not very good, but the other one looked very much like a proof coin. But I figured out that this one is a proof-like, as well as this one here is also a proof-like. Okay, so that means it's still mint states. As you can see in the label, it says MS70 PL. So it happens to be one of these bullion coins that were released with a very, very nice strike finish. So the surface area of the coin looks like it's proof, but it's not. Okay, so that's the difference. And I called the US Mint to confirm and double check regarding any of these proof coins coming out, and they said no, it's not out yet. It is going to come out sometime next year, and that's the only information they have about the proof coin. So this is a mint state coin that looks like, proof, so they call it proof-like. And as far as the mintage is concerned, that, this claim here of a 15,000 mintage, the US Mint representative said that it could be, but there's still some time left, and if more dealers would like to order it, then they would increase the mintage. So it's not written in stone yet, but the likelihood of dealers ordering more at this point is probably nil. I think that's the total mintage here, 15,000. So I remember Salivate made a video saying that most of these coins are sold out on websites. So APMEX is sold out. It says alert me, they don't have any. When we go to Provident, they don't have any either. Go to JM Bullion, they have this graded one here, but they don't have any raw coins. Maybe if you dig around, they might find some, but I just went through several dealers and I can't find any. And I go to the eBay listing here. All of them are graded, right? And the ones that are not graded, well, some of these have it in this presentation case. I don't know how they did that, but now it's going for $1,400 here. And you could also sell, well, here's one hard priced at $18.88. So that's the only what do you call it, non-graded regular BU coins available on eBay right now. So yeah, it's kind of, the supply kind of dried up, and here's the one that I was showing you before. So yeah, I don't know how many of you bought the Palladium, but if you wanted to flip it, maybe you could make some money, I remember seeing this for like 1029 or something like that. And some people have complained that the condition was really nasty, right? Because they are BU coins and it's all dinged up and scratched up and they didn't like it. I remember somebody saying that, but yeah, that's the news. So I just wanted to report to you guys that this is happening. All right, if you have any comments or suggestions, leave them down below. I'll leave links to these pages that I showed you in the description box, so you guys get easier access to them, and I will speak to you guys later.